If your advertiser is using Kochava, MMP, then first you need to sign up as a partner on their website with some basic details. To do so, go to the integration section of the Offer18 dashboard and click on Kochava Setup button. You will be redirected to the knowledge base, where you will find the partner integration form. You must fill out this form with your name, company's name, email address, and other fields. In the Describe Yourself section, you can select the prospective network or publisher. Then in the desired integration, select Add Network. If you have your client's name, then you can add it here. Otherwise, keep it blank. Additionally, you have to select the preferred method of contact, then click on Submit. Afterwards, you need to wait for their email, which will include a PDF form that you must fill out and revert back. Now, let us show you how to fill out that form by adding the dummy details. The form will look like this, where the Kochava email address will be given. You have to respond to them through this email once you complete the form. There are 4 steps in the form, which we will discuss one by one. The first step is general information, which will include your company details such as your company name, the link containing your logo, and the tracking platform you use. You can leave it vacant if you don't use any of the platforms in the list. You must then provide the click macros, where first need to fill in standard device macros such as IDFA, Google AI, and so on. Following that, additional device ID parameters can be skipped. Further standard click parameters include site ID, click ID, and others. Contextual attribution click parameters, additional click parameters, and custom click parameters are optional fields. Then you need to select options and fill in the details for impression payloads. Here, initially select the source of impression, where the first option is mandatory, which is the server, where you need to choose No, and the other step is optional, which you can leave unselected. Then the macros related to impression links should be filled out like this. Besides that, these parameters are optional. All of these macros will be implemented in the Kochava attribution link that you will get from your advertiser to promote. At the end, you need to fill in details related to postback, where install postback details look like this. For Offer18, choose the Get in the Postback method and select the URL option from this drop-down. Then choose No option here and paste your Offer18 install postback in the endpoint. Further, fill success response, which will look like this. In the standard parameter mapping, you need to fill only the click ID macro, which is TID. Similarly, paste the event postback here along with other details. The parameters that you need to map are click ID and event. Now save this file and send it back to the Kochava team. After that, you can ask your advertiser to share an app link that they want to promote. With that link, you have to create an offer in the Offer18 dashboard. Fill in the basic details, such as the offer name, URL, and take your campaign live with your publisher.